Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. Morgan and Mallet International is assisting a UHNW private family in the search for an experienced domestic/property couple to manage the maintenance, logistics, and smooth operation of their residences in Paris. The couple will work closely together to ensure impeccable, discreet, and proactive management of the properties and the family's daily life. This position requires versatility, rigor, and professionalism with a strong commitment to confidentiality and excellence. The ideal couple will be fluent in French and English, possess a strong background in luxury private service, and have a proven ability to work autonomously with impeccable standards. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.